Y'all, grateful for another beautiful day. We did have news today at 8:15 and 10 a.m., and this is kind of what I've been waiting for here. Off to a pretty late start today, but I was so tempted to trade this right here, but I sat on my hands just to wait to see what price is doing, because there is SMT divergence on ES and NQ, where ES made a higher high and NQ did not. So I thought that we were going to be bearish, but with the news at 10 o'clock, it looks like price wants to pump up higher. This could just be manipulation here because we are above 730 open. So we're just going to wait and see. I don't really have a direction at the moment. So my thought process is in the 1 hour, we're kind of consolidating in this range. If price wants to head up into this imbalance up here to send price down lower, I think that's definitely viable. So we could be looking for longs into this area because price goes from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, right? So if we go off of that, then this was external range liquidity here, right? It took external range liquidity and price needs to rebalance, right? So this area right here seems to be a great point of interest to me, from this leg to this leg, and it's right by the 50 fib in between the optimal trade entry level. So that could definitely be a viable trade unless this entire leg up is manipulation to send price down lower, right? And that's something that I just don't know yet. There's not enough information for me to trade yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit on my hands and wait for price to reveal what it really wants to do. And remember, we do have news tomorrow as well, right? At 8:30. So price could definitely just be choppy today. Like if you look at this chart here on TradingView, price had already taken out all of these lows, right? Failed to take out previous days lows, but it's headed up into previous days highs right now. So I'm actually expecting the price to take that out and then come back down to rebalance all of this. So I may take a short down. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Basically at this level, I'm gonna see price take out liquidity, previous day's highs, and then if it displaces down, then that's when I'm gonna be looking for shorts. All right. So that's the plan. All right, so I was a little late to this position here. It closed. I'm gonna see what price does. If it comes back up into this area, I'm gonna sell 3. Stopped out. That was a bad entry. Definitely should have waited. Let's see. It is actually in my point of interest now, which was here. But now I'm not sure what price wants to do. All right, so I think this move down was manipulation. So we're going to be headed up. So if this move down was manipulation, we have hit the 2 fib down. All right, so I'm going to go long. Yeah, not doing too well today. I missed this entry here. I chased this trade here. And right now I actually don't know why I entered here. I'm just literally basing it off of this candle action here, thinking that it'll pump back up, but I think we're just going to be chopping right now. Man, this is not good. I mean, honestly, I should have just waited. Yeah, this is not going to be a good trade. I'm just cutting it short. As y'all can see, my bullish bias was incorrect. And I definitely gambled. I basically said that this account is either going to be completely blown or I'm going to make some money back. And I shouldn't have done that, but I was able to get myself out of the hole of $1,500 back down to being in the red of $529. Not the best way to trade, but you know what? It's the decisions that I've made. I'm not very happy about it, but what am I going to do? That's just the way that things kind of ended up, right? So right now I'm targeting previous day's lows. I'm not sure what's going on with the platform, and the platform has frozen on me. All right, top step. This is not a good look. This is whack. Can't do anything. I'm stuck. Wow, top step. What is going on, man? This is whack. All right, I'm gonna move this eyeball down to here. That is what I'm targeting. Let's go. All right, so basically what I'm going to do now, I was able to bring my loss down to 318.52, which is manageable. Before it was down 1.5K. I'm not trading well today. I'm definitely not trading well today, as y'all can see. I am going to take ES down to previous day's lows. I just got to figure out where to re-enter. And it looks like this huge imbalance right here would be a good area. We'll see, because there is a breaker right here, which is a unicorn. We'll see how that goes. Let's just take some time to reflect now. Looking at ES and NQ, there was definitely bearish divergence, okay? And I knew that this would have been an area of interest for me to short. I don't know why I kept on trying to long. My mind just got cloudy, and then all I did was see red. That's something that I've been trying to control for like the longest time. Then I just started increasing my risk size, which is a recipe for disaster. It worked out for me today where I was able to bring my loss back down to a manageable amount. It's not going to work every single time, y'all. So I'm being transparent. I'm sharing with y'all the struggles of day trading and trying to keep the emotions in check. This is my journal. So thank you all so much for joining my journal and my struggles to getting the 1K. But this is, yeah, this is real life, y'all. This is real life trading. Um, I'm not doing any replay crap. None of that. I am going to enter another short on ES. Right here. It's going to be my loss. I am going to take this thing down to previous day's lows. My original bias was bearish, and I don't know why I flipped to bullish. I thought that this right here, 730 open, I thought this was the manipulation leg up. This is clearly the manipulation leg up. Sorry. I thought that this was the manipulation leg down to send price up, but this was clearly the manipulation leg up to send price down. Y'all get me? So we're going to see if price will reach my target. Previous day's lows. I'm going to move it one more tick down. There we go. This is, look at all of this low resistance liquidity. LR. This is all LR, y'all. Textbook. Locking some profit here. I'm going to see what price does. I don't think price should come back up to this level. I'm about to sell one. Sold one. Everything else is risk-free now. I'm gonna bring this back up to about here. It's not risk-free, but whatever. All right, there we go. Hit my point of interest, previous day's lows. That was a very stressful time. Oh my goodness, never again. Never again. That was bad. Y'all want to know why it was bad? Because I was down 1.5K at 10:44 a.m. This is insanity. I don't want to trade like this again. And I know I say that all the time, but uh people that are watching, don't do what I do. That was stressful. That just shows that I'm not ready for a live cash account. This is still a combine. I'm about 1.1K away from getting funded, but today was not a fun day. Not at all. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K in profit. One of my viewers suggested that I do like a P&L from all the evals, like the cost of the evals and stuff like that. So I'll do that shortly. I just don't have the time right now. But currently, I do have $1,000 in profit total. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching again. It was a stressful day. Hope y'all learned what not to do and what to do watching my video. And I will catch y'all tomorrow.